Football season is here, and that means tailgating snacks that go beyond the chips and the dips. It's so important to prepare everything in advance so that you're concentrating more on the game and your friends than anything else. So if that means partially cooking certain foods and then last minute grilling them or sauteing them, that's the way to go. Prepare them the night before and wrap them in plastic wrap really tightly so everything is prepped beforehand, and all you have to do is heat it up and serve it. So you gotta impress your guests by cooking tasty creamer potatoes from the Little Potato Company. They come in oven grill or microwave ready kits, complete with a seasoning packs in 1.5 or 3 pound bags. So they're easy to prep. That means no washing or peeling. They cook in minutes. You serve it grilled or roasted like my double stuffed Buffalo Ranch potatoes. Steam it, microwave it, boil it like these jalapeno potato poppers. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, gluten-free. They have a buttery flavor, a velvety texture. You can find these guys on Instagram or Facebook at Little Potato Co. or littlepotatoes.com/tailgate for recipes and more. Now, an ingenious invention has come up from Randall Trap. It lets you create a wall in the center of your slow cooker so you have 2 dips in one. Nacho cheese and spinach dip, and the best part, it's fast and easy cleanup, 8 seconds guaranteed. You avoid that dreaded slow cooker soak and scrub. It's made of heat-resistant nylon, no plastic, and that means BPA free. So the star player for me and my winning tailgating menu is New Zealand's grass-fed beef and lamb. Animals are grass-fed year-round, allowing to roam and graze freely over lush greens, hills, and pastures. The results are leaner, finely textured, and flavorful meats that taste just as nature intended it. You can impress your guests with these unexpected, easy recipes. Check this out: a colorful, mouth-watering beef taco, tender lamb kebabs. Change it up with your favorite toppings. Incorporate your team colors with fresh produce. Go to beefandlambnz.com for recipes and to find a retailer near you.